You've been studying Korean for years, reading books, watching lectures, but when you meet a native speaker, it feels like they talk at 200 miles per hour. So, how can you fix this? Today, I'll share the exact method that worked for me. Until I was 18, I was terrible at studying. I played video games for more than 4 hours a day. I was addicted. One day, I deleted my game account and replaced that time with listening to English for 4 to 5 hours every single day. After just 3 years, I became fluent and could understand more than 80% of what native speakers said. Now, after 17 years, I can understand 99% of native English conversations. So, how could that happen? The most important skill is listening. Listening alone can be dangerous if you have no direction, but listening daily while finding patterns and getting used to the sounds is essential. Language is not just information memory, it's closer to muscle memory, like riding a bicycle. That's why you should find an actor or drama whose voice or style you admire and watch it repeatedly. First, watch once or twice with subtitles in your language to understand the plot. Then remove the subtitles and keep listening. Let the sounds sink into your ears. My baby niece example. My 18 months old niece heard Korean, her native language, for about 6 hours every day. After 540 days, she started speaking in sentences. Mom, eat this. 엄마 밥 먹어. That's roughly 3,000 hours of listening before speaking fluently. If you only listen for 10 minutes a day, it would take 49 years to reach that level. But if you listen for 2 hours a day, you can get there in about 4 years. By age 4, most children understand around 70% of what's said at home in their native language. Action step. Ask yourself, how many minutes of Korean did I listen to today? Take 180,000 minutes, that's 3,000 hours, and divide it by your daily listening minutes. That's how many days you need to reach a functional native level listening skill. Increase your daily exposure and you will eventually understand Korean. Maybe not like a native, but enough to live comfortably in Korea. Listening is the foundation. Start today, track your minutes, and let the hours add up. Your ears will do the work if you give them enough time.